The fourth National Sammelan that we had here at Vigyan Bhavan was, it was kind of a very different kind of an experience, like a transformation that happens in a sector. And what I have been able to observe this time, that it was really a very important and significant step wherein you had the coming together of the thought leaders and the CR practitioners or people who are operating community radio stations. So as a result of this coming together, there is a beautiful confluence of ideas, a beautiful confluence of new innovations and an opportunity to take stock of what has happened in the past and how we can move forward. If you ask me, the sessions that have happened this time, the first day we had a session on the vision of community radio in India and what it means to different stakeholders in the sector. And it was amazing to see that people actually spoke about the community radios in India have now to go to a different level. I think the first decade of community radio is where it's like a baby where you struggle with the initial teething troubles. But now when you are into this kind of a second phase of development, of establishment, you are now handling much larger policy issues. The issues concerning community engagement, participatory content development, the issues of community radios for in indigenous in areas where there are indigenous and tribal communities, problems of community radios in community radio in cities. Those are the issues that are now coming out in a very big fashion. But one of the most outstanding things that have happened in this Sammelan, in this episode of the Sammelan, is that we had an opportunity to talk about the role community radios have played and can play in disaster management. So it was really heartening and it was overwhelming to see how some community radio stations have really, played a very critical role in reaching out to communities. For example, during Fallon in Orissa cyclone and the flood disaster which happened in Uttarakhand. And it was really amazing to see the work that these community radio stations did, and also to hear the experts from international agencies and also from the National Disaster Management Authority as to how we all can work together to strengthen the capacities of the community radio stations to become instruments and a very important tool for the entire aspect of disaster management, which is like before disaster, during the disaster and after the disaster. So I think the learnings from these sessions would help us take these ideas to a new, vibrant and enabling policy, which will definitely pave the way for the growth of the community radio sector in its second phase.